Hello, dear kids. This is your mathematics teacher, Mr. Mendoza, and in this video, I will give you another example on how to solve divisions with greater numbers. So look at the example number 5. We have 36,712 divided by 52. Well, the first step is to think in how many digits in the dividend we are going to use. In this case, we are going to use 3 digits. So then, the next step is to imagine for one moment that the units, the ones, in this case the 7, does not exist, and also that the number 2, the unit in the divisor, doesn't exist. So I only think in one number of multiplication table 5 that gets me to 36. So we know that 5 multiply by 7 equals 35. Okay? So we are going to use the number 7 because 35 is close to 36. So we're going to multiply 52, the whole 52 here down. Okay, 52 multiplied by 7. Let's solve this division, this multiplication here. 7 times 2 is 14. Okay, I carry on 1. 7 times 5 is 35 plus 1 is 36. So we have here 52 times 7, 364, and 364 is near 367. So we write the number 7 up here in the quotient part, and we subtract the 364 exactly below the 3 digits that we took before, okay, here. And we make the subtraction. 7 minus 4 is 3, okay? 6 minus 6 is 0, and 3 minus 3 is 0. The next step, as you know, is to bring this number 1 here, down. So we're going to write the number 1 here, okay? And we have 31. Well, it is not possible to find one number of table 52 that gives you 31. So what we are going to do in this case is just to multiply 52 times 0, okay? 52 times 0 is 0. This 0 goes up, okay? And this other 0 goes down, which is going to be the same, right? 31 minus 0, again, we have the same number, 31. The next step is to bring the number 2, that number 2, our last number, down, okay, here. And again, we use our strategy. For one moment, we are going to ignore the ones. In this case, the ones is 2, the unit, okay, the number 2, we ignore it. And again, we ignore the number 2 in the divisor, okay? And we think only in one number of table 5 that gives you 31. Well, we know that 5 times 6, okay, is 30. So we are going to use the number 6 because 30 is close to 31. And we are going to multiply 52, okay, the complete divisor, 52, times 6. So this strategy of ignoring the ones is just to find quickly the number that we need. 6 times 2 is 12. I carry on 1. 6 times 5 is 30, and 1 equals 31. So we have 52 times 6 is 312, which is the same number. So the number 6 goes up. The 312 is subtracted down, and 312 minus 312, okay, is 0. So we have here, our final answer in this division is 706. So simple, so easy. We will continue practicing in class. Goodbye. See you. Bye-bye.